Hi guys, I'm going to show you the view from my village water tank. It's a very tall water tank. It may remind you of the scene in Panchayat season 1 and season 2. So this is what my village looks like from the very tallest structure. We don't have a three-storied structure here in this village so far. So this is the only structure from where we can see a majority part of our village. So here is a very long house, and we have all kinds of houses over here. Non exceeding more than 2-storied, and my home is out there, just about 100 meters from here, 150 or 200 meters. So this is it, my village. It's a very small village. Thankfully we have a water tank. So please do tell, how do you like this? Thank you very much. Signing off.